Moisturizing Shampoo. Instantly smooths, restores and revitalizes dry hair with lasting moisture for incredibly soft, shiny hair, suitable for all hair types. Refreshing Citrus Scent. The refreshing citrus scent of fresh oranges and lime will leave you feeling soothed and refreshed. Naturally derived ingredients. Enriched with naturally derived botanicals to lock in moisture and nourish dry hair. Toxin-free formula is paraben, sulfate, phosphate and gluten-free. Cruelty-Free Hair Care. Ginger Lily Farms Club Fitness Collection is PETA-certified, 100% vegan and never tested on animals, so you can feel good while using it. Economical Eco-Friendly. Commercial refill size helps reduce plastic consumption and is perfect for refilling shower dispensers in locker rooms, health clubs, spas or at home. 1 gallon. Ginger Lily Farms Club Fitness Hydrating Shampoo softens, restores and revitalizes hair with long-lasting moisture for incredibly soft and shiny hair. Formulated with naturally derived botanical ingredients to hydrate and nourish dry hair. Free of parabens, sulfate, phosphate and gluten. Suitable for all hair types. 100% vegan and cruelty-free. 3 refreshing scents: aloe vera, citrus and ocean breeze. Naturally derived ingredients. Toxin-free formula. 100% vegan. Repair dry hair suitable for all hair types. 1 gallon, 128 fluid ounces. Top reviews from the United States. Very nice and high quality. We use this product at our Airbnb. Our guests are very happy with it and make comments that they like it. Smells great.